Hey, what's up? In this video, I am testing out Sumo agents, right? So this is going to be the new design and layout for my new website. It's basically an AI platform for agencies and businesses. So you can see the prompt in here. So like ChatGPT knows a lot about my business. So it created a whole long prompt to make the website, right? So all I have to do is take this and plug it into either GoHighLevel AI Studio, Lovable, Claude Design. I'm even going to try out. It's called Angie AI by Elementor and WordPress for WordPress. So you can see it's a very long prompt of what I want, right? So I just gave ChatGPT like the idea, and it basically put this long prompt together. Now I'm really disappointed in Angie AI. I think it did like the worst job, which I'll show. So I did an inner page on my sumogrove.com website, and you can see like how it looks. I don't even want it to finish it. I think it's still even working. So this is Angie over here. Like if I move myself out the way a little bit, you can see it's Angie AI, which is a plugin in WordPress by Elementor. But yeah, if you see, like, I think it's like just terrible. Like, what kind of what kind of robot is that that it gave me, right? But obviously, I could come in here and I could change the image. In here, I would do that. I'm pretty sure if I publish it and go live, it will look better. It wouldn't be like as squished in here. So like, let's say if I move this over or just close this, let's just see. So yeah, there we go. So that looks a lot better. So it's still working in the background, but I mean, other than like the images, it's okay. I mean, this is not bad. I think it's just pretty cool because I use WordPress for like over 10 years now, right? So I used to sell WordPress websites back in the day and get clients for WordPress websites. So like this is not bad, but like what kind of image is this? Like I have to go in here and I have to change the images for this. I mean, WordPress is great for like if you do blog content. It's great for ranking. Google, LLMs, Bing, and just search engines in general. But like, I mean, I think this is just like the image is just terrible, and it's just it got to this point. This is Angie AI, so I'll show you Go High Level's AI Studio, which is better than Angie AI. I'm gonna see who wins, right? Now, this is Go High Level's AI Studio, which you get free usage to the end of this month. So August 31st, 2026, free usage. So you get test it out, right? So I'll move myself over. I'm just moving myself over here. So you have the Ask AI over here. You can plug in whatever you want. I put in the full prompt there as well. And it built this out, right? So it looks pretty clean. It looks pretty good. It did the dark mode, light mode that I want. I always like having that option for when users come to my website. The only thing I don't like, this is supposed to be a robot. I do not like the robot, right? So I would have to change that, which you could easily take an image. You could use ChatGPT image 2 or Nana Banana, create basically the robot that you want. And then I would just put it in here. I would just upload it as an attachment, tell it to change the robot to that. So it's not really a big deal. I like that it has like the animation in here, which is pretty cool. I think this is clean as well. This is nice. Nice design. This is nice. I like the little animation there. This is really good. This came out good as well. This part came out good. This one's a little off. I would just probably make this 2 lines so it's even. And then like again, it's using the same kind of robots, right? So kind of don't like that. I will make it different robot faces or human faces if you want to do that. But I'll probably make it like different robot faces. Down here, this looks pretty good. I like this section. This looks really pretty good. This looks good. I would probably kind of try to change this a little bit. Maybe do logos in here because the platform that I have for my AI employees, it has the Go High Level as native integration, but it integrates with others as well. So instead of saying S and Z, and maybe I'll put logos in there. This looks nice as well. So like zero lunch breaks, that was funny. So that was good. I like the icons. So I like that AI Studio did the icons in there. Building your next employee, and then I like the footer. They did the footer really good as well. This is the main page. I want to see. Okay, so they didn't do multi-page. It did everything in one page. So like I can't click on these. It looks like so they didn't do that. I don't see any pricing tables here. So I'll build out basically a separate pricing table. This came out to agencies. This went up to solutions. This went to product, and then there's resources, and there's no contact here as well. And then login for some reason, sign in for some reason goes up, and then get started for some reason goes all the way down. So I would connect those buttons to the app dot, my app dot sumo agent, so my URL. So yeah, AI Studio, it did pretty good. It did it pretty good. Let's see Claude Design, right? What's going on with Claude Design? So I know Anthropic has some issues today, so I had to like run this over a few times. Like at the top, it says Claude is temporarily overloaded. Try again, try again, try again. So for this video, I kept having to hit try again just to try again. I don't like this. I don't like this at all for Claude Design. I know some people, they take Claude Design and then they put it into AI Studio or others. But yeah, I do not like this at all. Maybe, I gave it the same prompt as I did to others. I do not like this at all. So Claude Design, I don't really like, but maybe I'm not the best at maybe prompting Claude Design. So maybe I will give it another chance if I put a different prompt in. But yeah, this first go is not good. I wouldn't be able to use this at all. Now, Lovable, I did like the best. I'm not going to lie. So AI Studio came in second place. Lovable came in first place for me, only because I like how it created this robot right here. It looks like it created AI image right away and put it in here where, if I go back over here, this is not good. I have to make the AI images myself and change it out. So this did really good. Let me just see. This is good. This is clean. I like the animation. AI Studio did the animation as well. That section looks good. This section looks good. Let me see. AI employee. This is even. I like how it's even. Did the two lines. I don't have to change anything there. AI team that never clocks out. Perfect. I'll probably take the idea if it didn't do it. I do like this part. I think zero lunch breaks. I think that was funny. Maybe I'll incorporate into that. But I do like it created different robots. So I don't have to go to a ChatGPT image and create different robots. I like how it automatically created them. It named them and also gave them what they do, right? Receptionist, sales assistant, support agent. I like this section as well. That section looks good. I like that instead of L and Z and W, I like it just said the names of it. I don't need the logo, so this looks really good. Feature integration, GoHighLevel as well. So Sumo agents, it replaces GoHighLevel's voice AI. It's more advanced, right? So yeah, it has multi-language GoHighLevel, but it has advanced automatic callback. You don't have to build out all these workflows for it. It's just better. It sounds more human. Integrates with others other than GoHighLevel. It has many different features. So this looks good. I'll probably make change to this. Oh, it does have the zero lunch breaks. Perfect. It does have the zero lunch breaks in there. I like that. The only thing I would change is this. So I'll probably make this header smaller so it fits. Lead calls answered. All right, perfect. Even the footer looks good. Let me just test the top. So it did do it as a one pager as well, which is not bad. So for me, my main website's sumoworld.com. So this is just a product of it. So that's pretty good. I don't really need a blog and multi pages for that. Sign-in goes to the top. So I'll have that go to the app.sumoagents.com as well. Let's check out okay. This looks nice. Dark mode looks nice. This did a great job on dark mode as well. I don't see any issues. Yep, that did pretty good at dark mode. So if you do light mode and dark mode, AI Studio is pretty good for that. And then this looks really, really good. So me personally, I'm going to choose Lovable and update it. But AI Studio did come in second place. You could go in here and you could update it. It has forms integrated as well. I know they have payments coming soon for AI Studio. So if you want it natively inside of GHL, you could use the AI Studio. Not sure how much the tokens will cost like after August 31st. So I'm not sure how much it's gonna cost, but I know like credit wise, Lovable is not bad for me. So this looks nice. So I'm gonna go with this for Sumo agents, and I'll give you more updates on why it's better than GoHighLevel's voice AI. But this is really dope. I'm gonna use this for my website. So yep, just wanted to show you the difference. And Lovable wins, but AI Studio second place. I would say Angie will come in third place. I think it's still building it out. Let me see. No, well, I mean, yeah, it's in test mode. It's still building out the section, so it's kind of very slow. The fastest, Lovable was fastest, and then this is like the second fastest, and then this had issues, so it was like slow and stuff. So this is definitely last place. So I'm sorry, Claude Design, you were in last place. Maybe I have to play around with it more, but this does not look good. I like Claude Code. That's what I usually use to update my GitHub projects and even the Sumo agents and Sumo level that I'm working on. But yeah, this is last place. All right. So yeah, I just wanted to give you updates. So Lovable wins. Good job, Lovable.